Hello everybody. Today we would like to demonstrate how you can find somebody in Telegram by only the phone number. So first of all, you want to tap on this pencil icon. Next, tap on this add contact icon. Both of them are, as you could see, located at the bottom right part of your display. Here, enter whatever first name or last name you want. And in here, you just gotta enter the phone number that you know. So let me do just that. Alrighty, and now just tap on this checkbox icon. And as you can hear, the contact has been successfully added, or should I say the person that you have just entered the phone number for has been successfully added as your new contact. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.